Katulad dun sa kanay.
Yeah. No, I know there was no houses, but this was good. Better, man.
Ito kampuan yan.
Where's our camp? Where's our camp? One?
Saan tayo dada?
No, not near there. Where's our camp?
Saan ka nagapit yung bahay? Ilang...
Ma, where's our camp?
Adi, tigit-tigit ang camp.
Ma, where's our camp?
Ilan? Dalawa lang. Dalawa. Ilan
Ma,
babalak?
where's our camp?
Ilan babalak? Dalawa talaga. Paano boy? Sana nga itong babae na tumulong. Hindi ako dalawang boys din. Dahil na. Sabi ko parang gusto ko mag-girl. Ayoko na. Ako yung na kasi.
This stinks. Makalala. Ma, where's our camp?
Nahirapan na ako.
That's...
Sa susunod wala nang kakargahin. Ang bilis nga lumaki. Ang bilis nga ang baby
Ah! Oh, it's so hot. It's hot. Now it's cold. I don't think I need a jacket.
Radyo 4 ito? Ah, 4 yan.
Okay.
Lahat baka wag lahat.
Bakit aba ako?
Oh, jumping.
Kasi ang taba ko. Oh my gosh! Yo, this is crazy. Don't you think? This is crazier than my trampoline. Okay, I take this a walk-walk. You take this a walk-walk. What if there is a walk-walk? There's none, bruh. What if? I just said what if, bruh. Okay. That ain't a dinosaur, that's a rock. Wait.
Dinosaur! Dinosaur!
That looks like a kaiju, I'm not gonna lie. Ahead.
Well, let's check over there. Ask,
I don't know, something dark hiding from us right inside this. Bro, you can't go advanced yet. Hey!
No, let's go fishing.
how do you know my name?
Let's go fishing. Let's go fishing. Milo.
Never easy, right?
Milo.
Second.
Oh, no, you're not going to let me out.
Jump, dito ka daw eh. Oh.
First person.
Patanggal ko to.
Can't.
May sasayaw dyan mamaya.
So, pwede mag-think.
Before?
I want to pitch my tent here.
Yay. This is an Indian tent, isn't it? Oh, bro, I'm so confused now. Okay, let's go. Johan. Power. Wait, I'm going inside to bahay ko ba?
It's okay.
Pakalele, pwede ka dun sa isa pa.
Favorite namin pare, nung hindi na
Kung gusto mo kakaiba, may Camp 11. Pero
Parang may ganito lang.
bibili lang nga lang kay Eric yun. Iba na may may-ari. Kay Berto.
I'm not gonna set up the tent yet. Okay. Let's go back to the car. We'll see you later.